Compass stands for Composites at Speed and Scale. So what we're trying to do is create a capability and a lot of large-scale capital investment to allow us to develop the techniques and technologies to make renewable energy and aerospace components at a speed and scale that is appropriate for the needs of industry today. That will allow us to build the skills and capabilities within our region, which we can then apply to future jobs, future applications, to build long-term growth and prosperity in this region. By doing the research and development here, it will enable us to attract manufacturing businesses to come and take advantage of both the research and the skilled labour that we will develop in the region. So the university has worked with Sheffield City Region, Sheffield City Council to enable the development of the Compass programme. Without any one of those parties, it would not have been possible to get where we've got to today. And it's really a point of pride that Sheffield can stand up on a world stage and attract the interest of international businesses to come and work with us here in Sheffield to create the technologies of the future.